Look, shawty says she blessed with bread, and she don't need a nigga like me on the head. But I spit game and had her thinking on it twice. And like Beyonce, she checked up on it, then she spent the night. Hey, I had the sheets twisted under the moonlight, and then the pillow fight. Little marks from a bite, we changed the sight. Exotic seeing feathers in flight. Looked like it was snowing on white. But wait, the next morning, I tried to take a peek under the blanket. Nobody there, no sign of a lead. I haven't heard from her for about a whole week. Man, I guess mommy up on the creek. So now I'm here sitting, contemplating about last week and how she crept out the bed and zoomed past me. Damn, having to leave wasn't the plan. She had the whole world in her pants.
She's too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. Too experienced to be taking for a ride. That's why her name is Dynamite.
It's about 2 in the morning, stumbling out of the club, and I'm looking for a shorty I could take to the hood. Then I spot a bed brought to the right. I say, you in the red pumps? Tell your girl I say hi. Then I slide down toward her, she was popping her lips. I put my hand on the waist while she rocking her hips. I wanna holler, not bother, baby, give me the time. She rolled her eyes like, boy, you must be out of your mind. But now she with it, I'm admitting that she had was sweating, but never quit. I'm in my whip, and I'm good as I'm getting.
Let me show you why they call me Miss Dynamite.
Open my eyes to my surprise, she was out of my sight. No lie, no eyes, no head and no thighs. Like a magician turned around. Now where the fuck is my ride? Is this a dream or a dream come true? Cause I've officially been chopped and screwed.
She's too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. Too experienced to be taking for a ride. That's why her name is Dynamite.
Hello?
Yo, bruh, I had this bad brought at the crib.
AK, don't play, I had this hutch in my whip.
She a man?
Her name was Lena, Katrina, maybe Elaine.
Man, I'm sorry, I don't remember her name.
Me too.
It's kinda funny, it was just last week.
Oh word, use a fool, did you get in them sheets?
My nigga, I'm doing more than just a lindo.
For shizzle?
For Rizzle.
My nizzle.
It was off the hizzle.
For sheezy, last night I had a bad breezy.
Breezy?
For sheezy, oh please believe me.
Wait, but tell me, where's she right now?
She pulled a Houdini, disappeared in the crowd.
Wait, Miss Dynamite?
Hell yeah.
She jet on me too.
The same
The same girl, dog. Who would've knew?
I had her in my
And
ride.
I had her in my room.
She was way too experienced.
The